Hello, all. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Go High Level. Go High Level. Today, I am planning to have how to use the custom forms. Custom forms, how we can use it in our life, and in the calendar, how we can integrate the custom forms in the calendar. And I will demo that how to make. Custom form. You can design our own custom forms and it will be embedded as part of the calendar. That we can show you now. You need to go to the app.gohighlevel.com. From there, you just need to click on the calendars. Before calendars, what we need to do is we need to go to the sites. Okay. Here, if you click on back and if you go to the sites, there is an option called forms. If you click on the forms, there is an option called builder. This is one of the form I prepared yesterday. If you want to create a new form, you just click on the add new form. You can do it from scratch or you can use it from the template. If you are using a start from scratch, it will give us an option to add multiple fields here. Normally we'll have first name, last name, email, and phone number. If we want to add any form element, there are multiple options as part of this form element. And we can add it if you want to get the address, if you want to get the any of the images or website URL, all those things was there. Okay. And the magic I want to show it here is how we can add the custom forms. The custom forms, if you go to here, the multiple custom forms, which was already there as part of the high level template library itself. See here how many, there are multiple. See here, if you are in a tax paying client tax intake form, and if you want to get then any auto sales lead, everything, whatever is required for us, everything is there as part of this one. And currently I will go to the plumber lead form. Once you click on that one, if you want to, you can put your brand and logo, everything. And if you want to use it, the same form, you can use it. Otherwise, if you want to add some more customization to that form also, you can do that. And it will be added to our, see here, we got the full form shown here. Okay. And if you want to change it, you can change it here also. And if you want, there is an options that you can add multiple options and custom fields. If you want to add some more custom fields, everything will be as part of this one. And there are some fields which needs to be like based on some conditions, you can change that field. Add a conditional logic. If you want to add a condition, for example, if you select here and there is an short label, placeholder labels, everything you can do that. And if you click on this condition, if you want to show hide fields, there are multiple. The email is not start with there are multiple contents. It is contains at the rate. It doesn't contains at the rate. All these conditional statements also you can do that. Once we select with the form, This is the client in preparation tech form which I selected. What we need to do is we need to go to our calendars. The same form can be added to the calendars, okay? And click on the calendar settings. There are in calendar setting, there are multiple options are there. These are the new options which you're having. One is group, service menu, rooms, and equipment. If you click on group, what are the group you want to add it here? We just mentioned here. One is tax filing. I want to go with the template, which is an classic template. There are multiple. There Neo is there, classic is there, and the whatever the URL that needs to be mentioned here. I mentioned it as in tax filing. After that tax filing, what is the service? There are multiple services you can configure here. Here I mention it as a tax service, tax filing service. And this is how I configure the, and here, one of the major part here is, whatever the forms we created there, all these will comes here. See here, I have taken it as an clear tax preparation intake form, and there are whatever the new form which was selected, a plumber in lead form, all those things. The multiple options is there based on this service menu details. And if you required any room, that also you can mention the room capacity. If some you can define the room capacity also. For example, daily we are taking only 5 consultants, then you can mention it as a total capacity should be 5. Based on that, they can get that 5 room capacity. And the calendar also, if you have multiple service calendar also, that we can segregate this calendar also. And if you need any equipment, that also you can mention here. Once it was done, what you need to do is you need to go to the calendar and create new calendar. This is how I created a new calendar. And there I mentioned the multiple options. Calendars, tax filing. See here, the service details, I mentioned it as in service name is tax filing, and group is tax filing group. And if you have any members want to add it here, you can add it here. And if you go to the availability, and you can mention your availability here. The availability, maybe if you want to take it 15 minutes, you can change it 15 minutes. And the buffer time, if you want to add a buffer time, and minimum scheduling notice days should be like, if you want to notice them before 2 days, and if you want to get the events scheduled between the days and all, you can mention all this date range also you can mention here. And the form, if you want to present to the form, that needs to be given here, client tax preparation form. And if you want to confirm all the appointments, new auto confirmation also, you can do that. And you can send that acknowledgement emails to them, like your calendar is booked, and based on that, they can be notified. All these, how we can notify the acknowledgement email also, we can mention in our calendar itself. This is how if you want to add more customizations, you can also add more customization. And if you want to view the preview, this is how the calendar will be shown, and it will show the, is there anyone available, then it will show. You can fix our own calendar, and we can share this calendar to the people. Thank you. This is what I want to give you guys. Go high level, go high level. Thank you all.